Will a box spring make a mattress firmer? If you're wondering whether a box spring can affect the firmness of your mattress, you're not alone. Many people are curious about how different support systems impact their sleeping experience. Let's break it down. A box spring is essentially a wooden or metal frame filled with springs and wrapped in fabric. It's designed to work with traditional innerspring mattresses, helping to distribute weight evenly and absorb shock. However, when it comes to modern mattresses like foam, hybrid, or latex, the story is different. Box springs contain coils, which can interfere with the performance of non-spring mattresses. For instance, if you have a foam or hybrid mattress, using a box spring can change how the mattress feels. Instead of providing the necessary support, the coils in the box spring might make the mattress feel less comfortable than it should be. In contrast, a foundation or platform bed provides a solid, stable surface that is better suited for these modern mattresses. This solid support ensures that the mattress maintains its intended firmness and provides the best possible comfort and support. Let's address the question directly. Can a box spring make a mattress feel firmer? The answer is yes, but it's not always straightforward. If you're using a box spring with a mattress that it's not designed for, it can indeed make the mattress feel firmer than intended. This is because the box spring's coils can add an extra layer of stiffness that wasn't meant to be there. For example, if you have a hybrid mattress and use it on a box spring, the coils in the box spring can make the mattress feel more rigid than it would on a solid foundation. This is because the box spring's coils don't flex in the same way as the coils in the hybrid mattress, leading to an inconsistent feel. In summary, while a box spring is great for traditional innerspring mattresses, it's not the best choice for foam, hybrid, or latex mattresses. If you want to maintain the intended firmness of your modern mattress, it's better to use a solid foundation or platform bed. This way, you can ensure your mattress feels just right and provides the comfort and support you need for a good night's sleep.